That's why if we tried to make another method, if I tried to say void stuff and things inside of our program class and I forget to say static, that's why this doesn't work. When we're in a static method, we can only access static data. So now it works. Now that doesn't mean that we can't pass something into a static method. For example, I can have doThings take in a product called product, and then I can say, hey, and then I can say product.display, and then I can instantiate a product. And then I can pass it in to doThings. I mean, that's valid. The reason this is valid is because I'm not invoking or I am actually invoking a method on an object. I'm not just trying to invoke a method that isn't attached to anything. Think of this display method as being attached to this product. So have we used static methods? And the answer is yes, we have. We've used quite a few of them. Console.readKey is a static method. Notice we don't have to instantiate a console to use it. But list of string stuff, the add method on a list is an instance method. We cannot say list of string dot add, whoa. This makes no sense. It makes no sense because add is not a static method, because even if it were, what list would it be adding it to? We need to know what list we're adding it to, so therefore add's an instance method, and because it's an instance method, we have to have an object of that instance or of that type to invoke it.